2022 started with a bang for Tata Motors. Two CNG powered car launches and first ever crossing 40,000 unit sales mark in a month. We also expecting new variant launches and brand new debut later this year. This also includes a speculation of Nexon CNG launch, which now looks like turning into reality. Recently, a test mill of Tata Nexon was spotted leaving a CNG pump in Pune, which strongly suggesting the development and launch of the Nexon CNG later this year. But before the launch, our rival Brezza will have a CNG variant in the facelifted form. If Tata Motors adds Nexon CNG to the lineup, then it will become the only car in the Indian car market to be offered with 4 fuel options: petrol, diesel, CNG and the electric. The official test mule of the Tata Nexon was spotted by a TeamBHP member Raven, and he claims that this particular red colored Nexon was leaving a CNG filling station after refueling. The Nexon is available with 2 engine options apart from electric version, which includes a 1.2 liter turbo petrol engine that produces 118 bhp power, 170 Nm of peak torque, and the oil burner is the 1.5 liter unit which produces 108 bhp power and 260 Nm of peak torque. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed AMT gearbox. So it's likely the 1.2 liter petrol engine will get the CNG variant. As a result of that, the CNG variant will also suffer a drop in power and torque figures. Like the Tiago and Tigo CNG, the Nexon will also get the CNG tank placed to the boot, eating up some space. But unlike Tiago zero boot space, the Nexon will still have a usable small space to pack some luggage. On the exterior, no design changes expected except an iCNG branding on the tailgate. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.